welcome back to another video. We got the jump still set up, made the landing ramp a little bigger so we can go full throttle because the old Belfry boys there, Chris said he wants to do a jump. I don't know if Patty Boy talked him into it or if he's willing, or he's gonna see if he's mentally able and fit to be a stuntman here. So we're gonna give him the snow jump, and if he can do that, no problem. We'll see about the summertime, because anybody that's scared in the winter definitely gonna be more scared in the summer. That's for sure. But there's only one way to find out, and I think we're gonna have Patty Boy lay right here. That's what we're gonna do. Maybe just laying side by side. Hey, remember, just ease into it. Just ease into it. And make sure you line yourself up nice and straight. Be professional and. Oh yeah, he's got her down. All right, we got old Chris Belfry in position. Here we go, buddy. Hey, buddy, I'll give you a thumbs up. Yep. Da, 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 da. Hey. Yeah, buddy. Woo! Little sand. How was that?
That was fucking fun.
That was perfect. Woo! 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 Yeah, he's doing her again. Take two. Let's do this. I got old Patty Boy getting in position. Alrighty. All right, brothers, end it. Oh, yeah. No worries.
A little bit.
Do a lap.
Yeah. Got it. Didn't even flinch. You see him come right up and over.
Yeah. Woohoo! You. Yeah, buddy. No problem. Pick that bike up. Patty Boy should have been on that.
Yeah. Oh.
Woo! Yeah, buddy. No problem. How you doing?
Not
Look at
bad.
that. Look at that. Look at that. Frig yeah. Oh, thanks to the Belfry boys for their coming out. Thanks for Chris showing me he's not a little vagina there and possibly one being more part of stunts and stuff. You know, I know a guy that's always willing to send some stuff. So, big thanks for watching. Thanks for buying the merch. Big thanks to the Patreons. Like and share and subscribe in any way, shape, form that you do to support the program. I appreciate it. And see you in the next one.